everyone, Mr. King here to run you through today's PE remote learning session. Your next activity for today is an activity I like to call Stinky Socks. Before you can start, you will need to find some equipment from around your house. The equipment you will need to find for today's activity are 5 balls of socks, as you can see here. You will need to find 1 pan or tennis rackets. Today, I'm going to be using a pan. You then need to find 5 laundry baskets or pots or buckets from around your house. So today, I've got 2 laundry baskets and 3 pots from my house. You then need to find 1 shoe from your house. And then you need to find at least 1 family member to play with. So today, Dusty and Jordan are going to play with me. However, if you can't find anyone to play this activity with, that is okay. You can still play this activity by yourself. Alright everyone, I'm now going to give you some time to go find your equipment for Stinky Socks. Off you go. Now that you have the equipment you need for this activity, you now need to find an area around your house to play Stinky Socks. An open space such as your backyard or your lounge room is a perfect space. Alright guys, I'm now going to give you some time to work out where you would like to play Stinky Socks today. Off you go. Now it's time to set up the activity. To set up Stinky Socks, what you will have to do first is, at one end of the space you are using, you will place your shoe down, as you can see here. This is the spot where players will hit from today. Then, at the other end of the space you are using, you will spread out your 5 baskets or pots or buckets, as you can see over there near Jordan and Dusty. You guys can decide on how you spread them out. You just need to make sure they are at least 5 steps away from the shoe for this activity. Alright guys, I'm now going to give you some time to go set up Stinky Socks. Off you go. Alright everybody, we are now ready to play some Stinky Socks. First, you will need to decide on which player is hitting first. Once decided, the player who is hitting first will stand at the shoe with their 5 balls of socks and their pan or racket, as you can see here. When ready, the player who is hitting first will try and hit their 5 balls of socks or their Stinky Socks into the 5 baskets or pots or buckets. We're going to pretend they're a laundry bin today. For each ball that they get into their basket or pot or bucket, players will receive 1 point. When hitting the ball, players will hold their pan or racket in their dominant or good hand, while they hold their ball in their opposite hand. During the game, players will always hit 1 ball at a time, and they will always hit from the shoe. After players have hit their 5 balls of socks, players will collect their 5 balls of socks. They will then swap over with the other player. Players will play 5 to 10 rounds of Stinky Socks. You can choose how many rounds you want to play. The player who scores the most points is the winner of Stinky Socks today. Alright everybody, I think it is now time to see what Stinky Socks looks like. Let's have a look. Alright, Jordan, Dusty, are you ready to play some Stinky Socks?
Yes.
Sure. Excellent. Do you mind if I go first?
Sure.
Sure. Excellent. Here we go. My first shot. Oh, missed. Oh. Not a good start here, guys. There we go. 1 point for Mr. King. Oh, close. Oh, only 1 point for me that round, boys. Your turn now, Jordan. Awesome. Thanks, Mr. King, for that demonstration. I would now like you to play 5 to 10 rounds, seeing which family member can hit the most Stinky Socks into the laundry bins. if you are playing by yourself today, I would like you to play 5 rounds and see how many points you can score. Then play another 5 rounds and see if you can score more points in those 5 rounds than what you did in your first 5 rounds. Alright guys, good luck and have fun.